Hello everyone. Today we are talking about how to make money on Triumph. To begin, download and install the Triumph app from the official App Store. You must be at least 18 years old to play for money. Once your account is ready, you will see a list of available games. Triumph offers 1 vs 1 matches, multiplayer battles, and tournaments. These games are usually based on skill, such as card games, puzzles, or fast reaction challenges. The goal is to perform better than your opponent and win the match. When you win, the prize money is added to your in-app balance. It is a good idea to start with free games or low-entry matches. This helps you learn how each game works without risking much money. As you improve your skills and win more games, you can move into higher entry matches that offer bigger rewards. Triumph also includes leagues and special challenges that can increase your earnings if you perform well. When you have money in your balance, go to the withdrawal section of the app. You can request a payout using the available payment options. Always remember that results are not guaranteed. Play carefully and only spend what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching.